What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. We're in a secret warehouse that I don't own, but sliders are here. We're gonna get them painted up. I got the second one right here on the ground. One's hanging up. I'm about to put another strap underneath this one, hang that one up, and then prime it. I forgot my time-lapse camera, so we'll just be doing updates after like first coat of primer and stuff like that. I gotta hang them, and then I'm gonna slightly clean them. I forgot a lot of the cleaner, but they're just sliders. It'll be fine. They're gonna get scratched a ton anyways. You have to get new paint all the time, whatever. So yeah, let's hang up this next strap, and then I'll see you when I see you next. All right, both are hung, both are cleaned, wiped down. Let's take in a second to, let's just get over here. Let's take a second to enjoy these welds. Unpainted. Like, the heat distribution's not bad. Dropping dimes. Freaking solid welds, pretty much. Just one meeting point on every weld. It's awesome. It's freaking clean. Oh, All Pro, I love your freaking label, your freaking thing. It's nice, and it's not like huge across the whole thing. It's nice tucked up underneath. This would be going underneath the bed. You know it's All Pro if you're actually looking at the sliders. Very well done. I give you props. So yes, I'm in a warehouse, so it's a nice controlled climate because it's actually Thanksgiving Day that we're priming. Tomorrow, Black Friday, we'll be painting. So let's go ahead and get some primer shot on these. We're doing self-etching primer. Thanksgiving, freaking Walmart and everywhere is closed, so we bought 8 cans of primer and paint, 5 cans of primer, because it's all they had. So this is the primer that we got, self-etching from Rust-Oleum, 5 cans of this, and then for the people that want the primer paint as well, we got Krylon Press Protection, dries in 8 minutes, 25% more. Yeah, big nice gloss black. I didn't really care, I just wanted black, and that's what they had on the thing. So now we're gonna shoot them. All right, guys, we're on the second coat, and they are looking fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's get to the third. All right, that's 3 coats. We're all still wet. Look at the weld. Still shows them off. They look freaking good. I mean, you can't see the heat transfer and everything. They look good. Thank you, All Pro. Also, happy Thanksgiving, even though this will be posted like 2 months late. So we'll see you tomorrow for painting. All right, back here the next day. They're still looking just as good as normal as they were yesterday. Fully dry. So now we're gonna wipe them down and then paint them. All right, this is after coat 1. We missed some areas right there, but this top one's looking super epic. Super clean. Yeah. All right, I forgot to do the outro yesterday, but man, they look good. Let me get you a little closer. Shiny, shiny. A little bit of a run there. Got All Pro's logo. Ah, it looks good. So now I gotta get them inside the truck. I think I'm gonna put that side to not the truck. I brought my car. So now I gotta take these off and get it cleaned. All right, sliders are in and blanketed up. It's kind of weird up front, but you know, it'll be fine. All right, we're all cleaned up in there. So let's take these bad girls home. What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. There's snow on my truck, and it's been in here overnight. The heater's going, so that's why it's hard to hear me. We're getting the sliders on. We're gonna make this spring a lot of wheeling, a lot of safety. We're gonna slide over things. So yeah, we're gonna test fit this and keep going. The ones I bought are made for an 87 Tacoma, so this front one's really long. So the frame tucks earlier on those ones. But I got a nice flush, and let's see how it mounts up. All right, we got 4 plates tacked on. She fitted good with just the end ones, so we tacked these other ones on. So now we're gonna go do another fitting. and hope that it works. All right, so she fitted up all good. So we're gonna get this fully welded, and the sliders I ordered came with these gussets, and they fit like freaking perfectly. So we're gonna get that all welded all the way around and all 4 of these, and then we're gonna throw some gussets on it, and then we're gonna fine tune it, getting it onto the truck itself. Oh, and also I'm gonna be on the other side grinding it and getting it all clean, because let me go show you. If you look at it, she's pretty disgusting. But you know, good excuse to get it nice and clean with putting sliders on it. Have to weld the sliders and paint them up and everything, so yeah. Alright, this side's all welded up. And the other side's pretty well welded up as well. That one's done. That one's done. That one's done. Just one more weld left. And then welding it on the truck itself. Totally did not do an update for a while. Keys here though. And they work. You kind of stand on them. And they're on both sides. But look how freaking clean this is.
Devin, you're
Move your freaking foot.
No.
Yeah, look. It doesn't even poke from the freaking tire. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. I couldn't ever, when we were welding this one on, this is the first one we welded on. The other one's on, but same thing. I couldn't stop freaking just looking at it. It's like, it looks so freaking good. It just looks so good.
You couldn't get him over it, how well it looked, and he was just like, look at this key, and I was like, okay.
I was nervous when I was fitting. I was like, I'm not loving the fit. I'm not loving the fit. Not loving the fit. All right, as you can tell, the garage is shut. Yes, the garage could shut with the truck in it though, but she's out here. There's the buggy. There's the truck. Dang, this is gonna be a tight fit. I guess we're gonna have to go above here. Boom. Sliders are freaking on. They're nice and welded directly to the frame. We got a 5x5 sheet welded straight to the tube, and then we got a gusset right next to that holding it on. But look how freaking clean it looks. It doesn't stick past the tire at the back. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it doesn't stick past the tire at the back, but it's not like super pronounced. Freaking love it. I think it's gonna be freaking the best it can possibly be, pretty much. I was worried about it at fitment. Sorry, it's like super windy. I was worried about it when I was fitting it up, but it ended up turning out really good. Oh, and thank you, my dad. I'm gonna go buy him some gloves because his got a bunch of holes in it, and say thank you for helping me weld this up. All right, the sliders are welded on. We are here with the pressure washer, so we are cleaning it up, pressure washing it, and then pour 15 the where it's welded onto the frame. So yeah, let's get this cleaned up and painted. Messy hair. We got the truck painted. Yeah, last shot was spraying her off. I skipped all the wiping down, sanding down, prepping underneath the truck. Just painted it. It took forever, but I really like how it turned out. So let me show you underneath the truck. It looks so good. I haven't done the bottom because I will be doing the rest later. I just want to get the bare minimum done for this, so I go off-roading. And because it's like wintertime and this is just a borrowed shop, so don't want to be too much time in here. So yeah, hopefully enjoyed today's video. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow when I pick up the project and bring it home. Alright guys, we're back the next day. It's all painted. We started putting stuff in the bed of the truck, all nice and cleaned up. So let's get her out in the sunlight and show you with some sunlight on the frame, even though it's up and underneath. So we'll get outside real quick. All right, we are now out in the parking lot, so maybe we can get a little bit better view. It looks so good. I mean, half done, but so good. Really, really, really happy with how it turned out. So, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thanks, Dad, for letting me use your shop to get this painted, because it is winter time and it's super cold. It's actually been in a warm spell this last little like 3 days, but anyways, rock sliders are on, painted, so that means wheeling coming soon. Hopefully next video with the Tacoma is some wheeling. The next video that's being filmed after this one is an RC event, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be a new kind of content on the channel this year. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.